Complaining about your current position in life is worthless. Have a spine and do something about it instead. Workers work hard enough to not be fired, and owners pay just enough so that workers won't quit. The moment you make passive income and portfolio income a part of your life will change. Those words will become flesh. Find a game where you can win, and then commit your life to playing it, and play to win. Your mentors in life are important, so choose them wisely. If you're going to be a winner in life, you have to constantly go beyond your best. If you want to be rich, you need to develop your vision. You must be standing on the edge of time gazing into the future. Most people become a slave to money, and then get angry at their bosses. When times are bad is when real entrepreneurs emerge. Often, the more money you make, the more money you spend. That's why more money doesn't make you rich, assets make you rich. Focus, follow one course until successful. Every time you think you can't do something, someone else thinks they can. In today's rapidly changing world, the people who are not taking risks are the risk takers. The single most powerful asset we all have is our minds. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth in what seems to be an instant. You will make some mistakes, but if you learn from those mistakes will become wisdom, and wisdom is essential to becoming wealthy. If you want to be rich, think big, think differently.
Sight is what you see with your eyes, vision is what you see with your mind. Change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving more people makes the money come in.
Successful people take big risks knowing that they might fall hard, but they might succeed more than they ever dreamed to.
Every successful person in life began by pursuing a passion, usually against all odds.